Welcome to the Airdrie Public Library. So, you've signed out our Spintronics steam engine. Congratulations. You'll get everything that you need to run a Spintronics activity in your classroom, at home, or in a workshop. We're super excited to show you how everything works, so come with us. So what is Spintronics? Spintronics is a mechanical way to teach electricity to kids. Instead of using wires, electrical circuits, and diagrams, you're going to be building those same circuits using physical components that are easy to see, easy to conceptualize, and much safer. Included in the kit are magnetic base plates, junctions, other electronic components, a mechanical battery, chains, and our handy puzzle book. The chains can be modified to be any length required by the circuit that you're building. In this case, I'm shortening our chain or our wire to lessen the distance between components. So we're going to show you how to build a circuit. We're going to start with our 6-volt battery, and we're going to attach some magnetic base plates so that we can put on the rest of our components. Remember, this is not an actual electronic circuit. There's no electricity here, but the principles are all exactly the same. You can have short circuits, you can have inoperable parts, but the nice thing is if you mess up, nothing lights on fire and nobody gets shocked. So we're going to start by installing a junction. A junction is a three-way intersection for the electricity that we have. So we're going to wrap it around the bottom rung of the junction and the bottom rung of the battery. So you can see it can take a little bit of messing around to get it just right. Now we're going to attach our switch. Our switch is going to control a portion of our circuit. So we're going to attach this chain together. These chains can be any length that you would like to fit in your circuit. And then we're going to pull out our part just a little bit to put some tension on that. Then I'm going to grab a resistor. Resistors are neat because they are the primary way that we increase or decrease voltage to our different components throughout the system. In an actual electronic circuit, this keeps your parts from burning out while you're using them, especially very delicate parts like the ones in your cell phone. Then we're going to connect our last resistor. Now this is going to represent the active component. So this could be a speaker, it could be any sort of electronic part that's doing what you need it to do. When we wind up or turn on our battery, you can see that this component is not yet active, but the battery is still not shorting out. When we activate our component, everything operates exactly the same, except for now our component is operative. We can turn this on and off with our switch, and the voltage continues to flow. Once you're finished with your circuit, it's time to put everything back into its little labeled containers. There's an itemized inventory list inside of the boxes if you need help figuring out what goes where. If you're ready to borrow the Spintronics steam engine for your next classroom, workshop, or party, come on down to the Airdrie Public Library and sign it out with your library card. You can also reserve it online. As you can see, these kits are very large, so you're going to need to bring a large vehicle and somebody to help you load them into it and transport it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching our video. You are now a Spintronics engineer. It's time to learn about mechanical circuits, one spin at a time. Let us be your start, your opportunity, your APL.